Alright, what is going on today, guys? Sauce Nick coming at you guys with a new video. I'm also live on my Instagram. So today what we're going to be talking about is how to start trading Forex. Whether you're brand new, whether you have no idea what Forex is, what's going on, you want to get started, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright, so I am a part of this platform called I Am Mastery Academy. Okay, this is where I got all my education. This is where I started learning Forex. This is exactly how I got my foot in the door when it comes to investing, trading, business, all this other fun stuff. So let's go ahead and continue with this presentation right here. Okay, so we're gonna talk about a four-way cash flow, right? So there's 4 ways that we can make money. Okay, and this is how it's pretty much broken up. Majority of people work for somebody else. That's your job. 60% of the population works for somebody else. 35% of the people work for themselves, right? So this is neither you could be self-employed, you could be an independent contractor, you could be a freelancer, whatever it may be. You're just working for yourself. Okay, 4% of people are business owners. Okay, so these are people who are obviously, you know, your LLC owners, corporations, all that other fun stuff. And then 1% investor. Okay, you want to fall into the business owner, investor population of people, right? So what you want to do is you want to make up 5% of the market, right? So wherever you are in this platform, you want to put yourself in the investor mindset, or you want to put yourself into the business owner mindset so you can maximize your money properly. Because when you work for somebody else, you can't maximize your money too much because they hold your money. When you work for yourself, that's cool and everything, but you have to work for yourself. Okay, so if we can show you how you could make money without doing too much work, aka making your money work for you, that is an investor. You want to grow your money. You want to take your money and you want to be able to grow your money in your sleep, essentially, because Warren Buffett said if you don't learn to make money in your sleep, you're going to work for it for the rest of your life. That makes sense. So what we want to do is we want to be able to learn how to invest our money so we could grow it instead of working for money. Okay, so let me tell you guys a little bit about me and everything before we hop right into this presentation and everything like that. So obviously I started trading Forex about 2 months ago, so I'm still new to the platform and everything like that. But the thing is, before I hopped into this, I was already a business owner. Okay, I was already owning a business and everything, but the problem with that was I like it. I was already able to quit my job, very thankful for that. Okay, I'm already financial free, so I'm very thankful for that. But now when it comes to investing and everything, right, here's the one thing that kicked it off for me, right? When I'm owning a business, right, and I have to invest my time and money, you don't understand how much time goes into owning a business. You think putting 8 hours a day into your job is a lot? Try putting 20 hours a day into a business, because it's not going to grow unless you do the work. So I'm over here putting 18, 20 hours a day into my business, right? I'm free still. I can stop whenever I want, but it's just the fact that how much time I have to put into that to get results to grow, right? Investing is different. I can come here and invest a couple hours a day to learn, and then I can take a trade in 5 minutes and make my money. You know what I'm saying? It all depends on how much you learn and everything, but that's why this platform is here to educate and enrich. You know what I'm saying? So let's talk about the market real quick. So a market that's open 24 hours, okay, 5 days a week worldwide. It's a $6.6 trillion market. The stock market, right, is different. It's not open 24 hours. You don't have too much freedom in the stock market, and in the stock market you got to buy and sell for a long-term capital gain. In the Forex market, it's quick. You can make it in 5 minutes, you can make it in 5 hours, you control so much things in the Forex market, especially with your brokers. Okay, we don't have to deal with no Robinhood shit. You see what I'm saying? We don't got to deal with none of that. We have good brokers, we have access to our funds, and we can definitely take capital. We can capitalize on any opportunity that we see in the market as day traders, right? So let's continue. So foreign exchange market, like I said, if you don't even know what that is, let me explain what foreign exchange is, right? Let's just say you don't even know what foreign exchange is, right? Let's say you take a trip out of the country, you go to Mexico, right? So you got $100 in USD. So what you want to do is you got to exchange that for the Mexican peso. So you're going to give them the $100. They might give you $80 in Mexican peso. And you're like, what the hell? Why did I get lower money? Like, what? Give me my extra 20. It's because when you exchanged it, the exchange rate was lower, so you get less money in the Mexican peso. So now you got your 80 Mexican peso, right? Down $20. You go back to the United States. You give them back their $80 peso, but you might get back 150 in USD. Now you're like, what the fuck? Like, how the hell I lose $20? Now I'm up 50. You see what I'm saying? That's because the value of the Mexican peso went up versus the United States dollar. So when you went to go exchange it, you get more money for it. And in simple terms, that's what Forex is. But instead of having to travel outside of the country to participate in the exchange market, you could do it from your phone, from your computer right here. But in simple terms, you're looking for two things. If it's moving up or down. Does that make sense? Ask yourself that. Do you think you can make money looking at a graph, seeing if it's going up or down? It's that simple. And if you can, then keep watching the video. right? So foreign exchange market, like I said, it only moves up or down. So you want to sell when it's high, you want to buy when it's low. Taking a look at this chart right here, okay? And on Instagram, we're going to go ahead and turn you all around, right? So taking a look at this, right? So obviously when it's up here, what you want to do, you want to sell it. Obviously when it's down here, what you want to do, you want to buy it up. How the foreign exchange market is though, you don't own anything. So when you see the market's down here and it's coming up for a buy, you press buy. When your price rises, you make your money, and you close out, you make your money. Does that make sense? When the price is up here, you click the sell button and ride it down here, and all this movement right here is your profit in between, and then you hit close. That's how you make it. You don't have to own nothing. You don't have to keep nothing. Very simple stuff, right? Super simple, right? Anybody can do this. All right, so let's go ahead and switch back down right here, okay? So you want, I gotta show Instagram this is again. You want to look for these two patterns, right? You want to look for these two patterns. Look, it's very simple. When you see a mountain formation, look, when you see an M pattern, that means it's high. That means you want to sell. Look, when you see the mountain right here, when you see that form, what did it do? It sold off. Makes sense? Whenever you see a W pattern, okay, you're going to want to buy. That's the low point. You see a W right here, what did it do? It bought all the way up. You see what I'm saying? So this is the things that you want to look for, and this is the education that you will get. You know, you can't YouTube this type of stuff. You can't YouTube this mentorship. You can't YouTube this strategy. You can't YouTube this education. None of that. And you definitely cannot YouTube work ethic, okay? You can't YouTube none of this stuff. So that's basically a very, very simple breakdown of what the patterns are and everything like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a little bit more in depth, right? So basically what you're looking for is, like, let me show you Instagram this as well. Right, this is what you're looking for, right? So let's say you enter the trade right here, Instagram, right? You enter the trade right here, and then you take it all the way up right here to the top. What you're measuring is the points and percentage, aka pips, how much it moved. So how much it moved from 100 to 150, it moved 50. So like take a look right here. So this is your pips, this is your points and percentages. It's gonna be very, very easy sense, right? So let's say you traded at 0.01. Okay, and you make 10 cents per pip, and you catch 70 pips, right? That's $7 you made off of that one trade, you know, in minutes. You just made $7 easily. That's almost what some people make. Unfortunately, that's what people make an hour. Okay, some people in this world make $7 an hour. You can make it right there just by learning how to do this. Just by learning how to do this, you can make what you make an hour in minutes. Makes sense? And it's learning. That's all it is. It's straight up learning. That's all it is. This is not no get rich quick. It's definitely a get rich, you know what I'm saying, but not get rich quick. What you want to do is you want to learn. You have to put the time in to learn. That's it. That's all it is. You're paying for education to learn. Just like you go to college. Why in the hell would you pay to go to college $40,000 and get into debt, right? Why would you do that, right? When you can invest into yourself for nowhere near as much as that, and you could be financially free for the rest of your life, right? So anyway, but I'm not going to get too much into this. As you guys can see, you can read it. You're trying to catch the pips and everything in between it. That's your profits and everything. So let's go ahead and move on real quick. Let's go ahead to the next one, right? So learning simplified, right? So with this platform, right, you're going to be able to master the markets. You're going to know how to build real wealth and freedom throughout There's four streams of income that we offer. There's actually 5, but what we're going to do is we're going to touch up on 4 of them right now and explain to you which one they are, how you can make money in the Forex market, and how you get the education, right? So boom, so here's the 4 right here. So we're going to talk about, I'm going to name the 4 to you right now. So it's FRX, Forex, DCX, which is your digital currency, your HFX, which is your high frequency Forex, and your ECX, which is your drop shipping, right? So let me go ahead and turn this camera around real quick and show y'all exactly what we're looking at right here, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and hop in here and explain to you what each one is. So Forex, FRX, is what you guys were just looking at up here. Okay, it's charts like these with the line graphs, and you're catching pips and all that fun stuff. In traditional Forex, all you're doing is you're looking for an entry. Okay, you're gonna look for an entry. You're going to place a buy or sell depending on what the chart looks like, and whatever position you enter at, and it takes you to up here. That in between is your profit. That is your basic foreign exchange. You'll have access to things like scanners. You'll have access to things like Go Lives, Trading View, learn how to mark up charts, and all that other fun stuff. So, but then we can hop into HFX, right? Which HFX is a very, very different platform, right? What HFX is high frequency Forex. This is very, very fast money. This is where trades normally last about anywhere from 30 seconds to 3 minutes, right? In Forex, trades could last an hour, trades could last 2 hours. You might have to wait a week. It's just a lot more pressure and a lot more weight on your shoulder, right? So with high frequency Forex, though, it's fast, like snap, 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 snap. You close the trade, close the trade, close the trade. Now, this is as simple as high frequency Forex is. If you predict it's going up, press buy. If you predict it's going down, press sell. Simple as that. You enter with $100, okay? You enter with $100. You're down $100. Your prediction is right. You get your $100 back plus your profit. So if it tells you that it's going to give you $50 profit, within 30 seconds, you can make $50 just like that. Right? So we're going to move on to DCX, which is digital currency, which in this academy, you're going to get access to scanners. You're going to get access to certain calls, certain group chats and everything. I have personally a crypto expert on our team, part of MMO, right? Shout out to Billy. Shout out to Billy and all of them. So what we have here is great resources for you to learn what you're doing and all that stuff. So with the digital currency package, like you said, you get access to the mentors, you get access to the scanners, you get access to the calls and everything, which they run crypto calls every single day, and scanners, charts and everything. They're going to predict the Bitcoins, your Shibas, your Dogecoins, all this fun stuff. And this is how you're really going to make a killing and long-term investment for crypto. So if you wanted to get into coins and all that stuff, then the DCX Academy is for you. Last but not least, the ECX Academy. Now, a lot of people, what ECX is e-commerce. E-commerce is dropshipping, okay? Dropshipping is your stores, your online businesses, everything. 9 times out of 10, the things that you buy online is dropship, right? So it's basically what dropshipping is you don't even touch the inventory. You're buying something for a low price. Let's just say, what was dropshipped in my room right now? AirPods, right? So these AirPods, obviously these are the real ones, you feel me? Because I don't do no fake shit. But these AirPods, right? These AirPods are like $150 for the real ones. But for the fake ones, they run like $30. Right? They run like 30, 40 bucks. You gotta understand, in China though, they're selling these AirPods, fake AirPods, for like $4. You get this whole thing, $4, everything like that. They're gonna drop ship for $34 and take a $30 profit on that without having to touch any inventory, nothing like that. As soon as you press the button to purchase, boom. You know what I'm saying? So if you want more information on e-commerce and dropshipping and everything like that, then this will be the package for you. If you already have a store and everything, we also have like products such as like this ROAS calculator, right? So it's going to tell you exactly how much profit you're going to get and if it's a winning product or not. Because when in dropshipping, you want to have a winning product, right? So basically, these are the 4 packages that we offer: HFX, FOREX, DCX, and ECX, and the platform gives you tons of tradings, years and years and years and hours and hours and hours of information and tradings that is going to help you master the academy. Simple as that. So let's go ahead and move this on, right? And now we're going to break this down to what exactly you have access to, right? So the first thing is go lives, okay? You have access to over 100 plus full-time educators, okay? You can connect with them, you can collaborate with them, ask, learn, and succeed. These are your Michael Jordans, these are your LeBron James. You have a one-on-one private mentorship access to all of these mentors who are making 6, 7, 8 figures trading in this market. Make sense? So you have access to these go lives where you can come out here and you can learn. This is your education. This is your showing up to class and you are learning and you are making money in these calls, right? So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to move on to the IM Center, right? This is your IM Center, which is the second part of this academy. You get strategies on strategies on strategies on strategies on strategies where you don't have to do nothing. Look at this. It looks weird to you, right? It looks crazy to y'all. Let me show Instagram this, right? So like this may not even make sense to you, but in reality, what the strategy did was it marked the market up for you. It did it for you. You didn't do nothing. You open the strategy. It's gonna tell you when to buy, when to sell, if it's going up or down. It's free. You ever cheated in school before? Then this is exactly for you if you cheated before. This is going to allow you to copy paste profit, okay? So you can learn, you can earn while you learn. Makes sense? So what you want to do is just get these strategies, which are free, that comes with it, right? Just choose whichever one you're comfortable with. So for the Forex, you get the harmonic scanner. Okay, we're going to go on. You also have a strategy called Go Cup, right? Look at it. It tells you whenever you see this pattern on there, it's going to sell. So whenever you see a pattern like this, it's going to say boom. So whenever you see, this is exactly where you would sell at right here. I'm going to show Instagram this, right? So y'all would, when you see this teacup pattern, boom, you sell right there. That's exactly what the market did. It's literally free money, and because of this education, because of these strategies, right? And they're all about 85% accurate. So just by tuning into these strategies, right, you can make money. Oh, I don't know how to read charts. I don't know how to mark up charts. You don't got to do that shit. You don't got to do none of that stuff. You just get the strategy, and it's going to tell you exactly what you got to do. You just got to show up and put the work in, right? So do you think you could really show up and put the work in? That's a serious question, because if you want to get started in Forex, right, are you going to be able to show up and put the work in? If you can't show up and put the work in, don't get started. Keep working your job. You see what I'm saying? If you can't show up and put the time in to learn how to be financially free, stop. Just don't even watch this video. Don't even invest your money. Keep working. You know what I'm saying? You have to be able to have what it takes, right? And then last but not least, you got Liberty, which is for the high frequency Forex, right? Simple as this. Like whenever you see an arrow up, pretty much, you're gonna buy. And really, Liberty, the one that you want to get for HFX is called Cash Trap. So what that is an arrow up, buy, arrow down, sell, and that's simple as that. And just like that, we're going to move on. Easy as that. Like we said, you could learn and earn on the go. So swipe trades, okay? Swipe trades, I can't show y'all this because I'm on Instagram Live, but swipe trades, right? You can look this up in the App Store on your phone. Swipe trades, Gold Cup, and Swipe Coin, right? It's going to tell you literally like strategy. It's going to say buy this now, sell this now. That's it. It's as simple as that. Do you think if I told you guys to buy a pair, can you press a green button? If I told you to buy now and you see a green button that says buy now, do you think he could do that? If you think he could do that, let me know. Right? So we're going to keep moving on, right? So, okay, so now you know, okay, look, I know about this academy. I could come here and learn. I know I could come to the Go Lives, and I know I got access to these scanners, and I know I get access to these mentors. So I'm ready. You see what I'm saying? Now, how do I get started in this, right? So this is exactly what we're going to talk about right now, right? So I'm going to switch this camera around too for you so y'all can see this on Instagram, right? So how can you get started in this, right? For the traditional Forex package, it's going to be $234, right? With $175 a month. For your HFX package, it's also going to be $234, $175 a month. We're going to keep going down to the other package. Remember the cryptocurrency package, $234, $175 a month. Now, here's where it also gets interesting at, right? So let's say that you want all three of these academies in one. Look, do the math on this, y'all. We ain't stupid. Look, $234. That's over $900 pretty much in value, right? But let's say you want all of them, right? It's only going to be $325 with $275 a month, right? Now let's just continue real quick, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come back over here to talk to y'all real quick about this stuff. So monthly payments, right? Oh shit, man, I could barely come up with the $235 to get started. Now I gotta pay a monthly payment. No, you do not have to pay no monthly payment, right? You don't gotta pay no monthly payment, and this is exactly how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna show y'all on Instagram too. You ain't gotta pay no monthly payment right here because we have something called 2 and free. You refer 2 active paying customers to the academy and you get free access, right? It's as easy as that. Now here's my thing to you, right? Why would you be selfish? Okay, if you join this academy, right? If you join Forex and you start investing your money, right? Let's say you make $100 your first day, and you still got your homeboys working a job. You still got your parents struggling. You still got your relatives struggling working a job, right? How green do you have to be, right? If y'all are not from Florida, what that means is how selfish can you be, right? To not share this opportunity with somebody. You making $100, right? And you don't want to tell nobody about it. How selfish can you be? You see what I'm saying? That's green. That's fucked up. Why would you do that? You see what I'm saying? Why would God bless you with an opportunity you can't bless nobody else with it? You see what I'm saying? That's fucked up. So if you don't want to pay your monthly payment, I don't pay my monthly payment. If you don't want to pay your monthly payment, refer it to 2 people. That's it. You're 2 and free. That's it. You're getting free education and you making money. It's a win-win. I don't know what y'all are waiting for. Simple as that, right? But we talked about HFX, we talked about DCX, we talked about ECX, and we talked about Forex. Okay, that's the 4 ways you can get paid: crypto, high frequency Forex, and then investing in dropshipping. That's 4 ways that y'all can make money. Y'all can be making bands from this shit, right? And keep in mind, I'm gonna say this shit one more time. Y'all can be making bands in this shit eventually, okay? What you want to do is you don't want to just come in this bitch ready to make money, right? You want to come in this bitch ready to learn, okay? You want to come in here ready to learn, because if education pays. Education and knowledge pays. That's how you make your money, right? So, but let's talk about this real quick. So I'm gonna switch this bitch over real quick, right? So I talked about investing and everything. I talked about how you could get 4 streams of income with all of our cryptocurrencies, the Forex, the HFX, and all other fun stuff. Have y'all ever wanted to be a business owner, right? This is what we're going to talk about now. If you want to be a business owner, you could build a successful business from your house, okay? Traditional ways of building business is gone. You don't got to go to no store. You don't got to sell no product. You don't got to do nothing. You could build a business online and make money and retire your family and do whatever you want, be financially free at your own home off your smartphone and Wi-Fi. This is what 2020 is, 2021 is, and if you don't have the knowledge to do this, then that's why you're here learning this shit, right? So here's what we're going to talk about, right? Let's talk about this. Okay, I gotta keep the camera up. Okay, So, boom, you refer your 2 people, you get the education for free, right? But what happens if you refer 1 more person, right? And let's talk about this referral system real quick. And now I gotta flip the camera around to talk to y'all real quick, okay? I'm gonna mention this one thing, okay? Uber, refer a friend, get a free ride, okay? You don't think too much of it. I'm getting a free ride. All I gotta do is refer my friend about it, right? Cool. Netflix, right? Refer a friend, use your referral link, you get a free month subscription to Netflix. Free month subscription, all I gotta do is refer somebody, you don't think too much of it. You see what I'm saying? Nike, hey, refer a friend, get $10 off your next purchase. Refer. All the top companies in the world are doing this refer system, right? Hell yeah, it's helping them grow, but hell yeah, you getting that free shit, don't you? You getting paid, you like that, don't you? So what's the problem? You see what I'm saying? If you get in your bag, and why be selfish? Why be selfish, bro? You learn how to make money from your phone. You learn how to build a business. You learn this shit. God blessed you with this opportunity. You don't want to tell your friend? You fucking green, bro. You fucking up, bro. Like, you fucking selfish. Don't do that shit. You see what I'm saying? So, but boom. So you refer your 2 people, right? Then you get the 3rd person. Now you're going to start getting paid for this shit. You see what I'm saying? Now this is where you start building your business. You got 3 people in your business. You are a mentor, right? You are a mentor in the end of the day now. So now you're building up your business. You're growing your business and everything like that. So refer 3 people, you're going to get $150 a month. Now, hey, that's a lot of money though, okay? When you come from nothing like me, that's a lot of fucking money right there. I wasn't making that shit. You see what I'm saying? So, but boom. That pays for gas. You feel me? That pays for a bill. That pays for funding your account. That pays for everything. You see what I'm saying? Boom. We're gonna jump over to the Platinum 600, right? Shout out to all my P600s in the business. You feel me? So this is $600 a month. This is bro, you show me $600. I remember when I was making those $600 a month, bro. I thought that shit was $1 million. When I first started making $600 a month from my job, I was like, oh, that's a fucking $1 million, bro. You see me? It just matters where you come from and how you look at money. You feel me? So like $600 a month, bro. Shit, your education's paid for. You could fucking invest into your account. You could do anything, bro. You got money, spend that shit on food, take a trip, whatever it may be, bro. You got $600 a month. Bam! Ah, shit. What's next, bro? P1000, okay? The more people you bring in, the more money you gonna make. When you got $250 a week, $1,000 a month, your education is free. All your bills are paid for. You feel me? You got half a rent cover right here. Like, you was living free. You was living great, right? And what you think's gonna happen? Let's go down. What you think's gonna happen after that P1000? What's next? What's next, bro? I'm gonna just flip this shit around. Like, what's next after this P1000, right? That P2000, $2,000 a month, $500 a week. Come on, son. $500. When you show me $500 a week, bro, I'm doing, like, come on now. I never seen no $500 a week in my life before. You feel me? I never seen that, no type of money like that. If you was in that position, you never seen that type of money, and you want to own it, you want to open up your business and do this shit. I'm telling you, bro, because the only thing that's stopping you is you. That's it. What you scared of? Losing money? You know how many times I lost money before outside of this shit, outside of investing? You know how much money you lose working your job? I mean, do you know how much money y'all lose working your job? Do you know? No, you don't. You don't know. Y'all don't know. Y'all don't know how much money y'all lose. They take over 40% of your check. Y'all losing money. Every single time you punch that clock, you losing money. Every time you punch the clock, you are losing money. Every time you punch the clock, you are losing money. Right? So, and you're trading your time for that too. So why not put your time in to learn? You feel me? But that's pretty much everything right there. That's everything. You know, I'm going to leave y'all with this. What will you become if you are interested in trying to join FOREX? Not even join FOREX. If you're interested in fucking learning how to invest your money and build a business, and you want to take action on this opportunity and everything, then I'm gonna leave my Instagram in the description and like everything like that. If we're on Instagram, DM me, right? I got more videos coming just like this. Hopefully everything went good and everything. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace out, Instagram. Alex, I see you, bro. Keep working, bro.